Welcome to day 17 of the 30 days to a complete screenplay screenwriting challenge. Day 17, you know what your problem is? This is what you're going to ask your protagonist, okay? Or somebody's going to ask them. And this is a scene that is going to be somewhere in the script, often is. You will have a character come to your protagonist and say, hey, you know what your problem is? And this is going to be an establishment of the lie that your protagonist believes. This is going to establish what's wrong with them, and often that what wrong with them idea is what the plot is about, right? That is what the plot, the basis of the theme is going to be what's wrong with this person. This is going to be a scene where your character talks about that flaw. And they could do it a number of different ways, and there's ways to be really subtle and creative about this where you're not just like blabbing the theme out to the audience in a really obvious and dull way. A good example is from the movie Momento. When Lenny talks to his police friend, he argues that evidence and facts are the way that you find a case, that memory is unreliable.
Your notes could be unreliable.
Memory's unreliable.
Ah, please.
No, really. Memory's not perfect. It's not even that good.
And Teddy here tells him, you know, how do you know any of these facts are real, right? So he's arguing the opposite. And this is eventually going to be tied into the plot. Eventually we're going to find out this is really core to what's wrong with Lenny. And he will eventually figure out that he's wrong about this particular thing, that facts actually are very easy to fake, very easy to manipulate. His reliance, his belief in facts rather than memory or intuition. The facts is basically what's going to destroy him. What's great about this scene is it's our character talking about their belief system in an organic way that fits within the story, and somebody coming out and telling us that this is a bad idea, that this is not the way it should be. Tomorrow we will reach the midpoint, and we're halfway through with the screenplay, so you should be about 60 pages in. We'll see you tomorrow.